These are some of the major news items making the rounds on Sunday, the 4th of April.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, another Portmore woman has gone missing. 19-year-old Shaville Chambers of Christian Gardens, Gregory Park in Portmore, St. Catherine, has been missing since Saturday, the 3rd of April. She is of brown complexion, slim build and is about 170 centimeters or 5 feet 7 inches tall. Reports from the Caymanas police are that about 7 a.m. on Saturday, Shaville left home to run an errand and has not been seen since then. When last seen, she was wearing a black t-shirt, green ripped denim pants and a pair of brown slippers. All efforts to contact her have so far been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shaville Chambers is being asked to contact the Caymanas police at 876-988-1719, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. A man has been charged with the killing of his ex-girlfriend, who was an upcoming dancehall artist during a dispute last month. Nicholas Paisley of Budhole district near Matnai on the border of St. Ann and Clarendon was slapped with a murder charge in relation to the death of 19-year-old Patricia Green, also called Samantha, a customer service representative of Mile End in St. Ann. Green was also known by her stage name D. British. The accused man recently appeared in the St. Ann Parish Court, where he was remanded in custody. At the time of his arrest for the killing, he was on bail for the offense of larceny as a servant. It was reported that on the 18th of March, about 6:30 p.m., residents heard a female crying for help in a section of the Budhole district and alerted law enforcers. On the arrival of the police, the body of a female, later identified as Green, was found with multiple stab wounds and her throat slashed on a roadway in the community. She was pronounced dead at hospital. Based on accounts from some residents, it was suggested that Green went to pick up her young child that she shared with Paisley, who lived in the area. A dispute reportedly developed between them, during which Green was stabbed. Following a probe, Paisley was arrested and subsequently charged. St. James man charged for attacking ex-girlfriend with gun. St. James sales representative, 23-year-old Gavin Shaw, otherwise called JR, is to appear in court in connection with an attack on the mother of his child with a gun. Shaw, who is from retirement in Montego Bay, has been charged with assault at common law with the use of a firearm. The police report that on the afternoon of Thursday, the 18th of March, the woman who they say had recently ended an abusive relationship with the accused visited Shaw's mother's home to drop off their child. It is further reported that while there, she was confronted by Shaw, who reportedly accused her of being promiscuous and refusing to return his calls. According to the police, Shaw then ran to the rear of the premises and returned with a handgun, which he reportedly pointed at the complainant repeatedly and threatened to kill her. The police say that his relatives intervened, allowing the woman to escape unharmed. The matter was reported to the police and Shaw was arrested on Friday the 2nd of April and charged following an interview. His court date is being finalized. April 15 bail hearing for a guard charged with garbage dispute murder. Leroy Martin, the 56-year-old security guard, accused of killing a woman and injuring 2 other females during a dispute over garbage last month, is to return to the St. Ann Parish Court on April 15 for a bail application. The date for the hearing was set on Monday, March 29, when Martin appeared in court for the case to be mentioned. At that time, the prosecution informed the court that the case file was not yet complete. The presiding judge later yielded to a request from the prosecutor for more time to be allowed for the case file to be completed. The accused was subsequently remanded in custody. Martin, otherwise known as Biggie, a resident of Carlton Mountain in St. Ann, has been charged with the murder of Navajia Gray. In addition, he has been charged with 2 counts of wounding with intent and also illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition, all stemming from the shooting of the 2 other persons during the incident. It was reported that on Tuesday the 2nd of March at about 11 a.m., Martin and his neighbors, including Gray, got into a dispute over garbage that had been scattered by dogs belonging to the women. The incident reportedly infuriated Martin, and an argument developed between him and Gray, along with the other occupants of her household. Martin later left and returned with a gun, with which he opened fire, hitting Gray and the two others. He then fled the scene. The wounded women were assisted to the hospital, where Gray died while receiving treatment. The other women were admitted for treatment. Martin was later arrested and charged. 4 Haitians detained in Jamaica. It is understood that 4 Haitians were taken into custody earlier on Sunday in the Nugget community in St. Catherine. Preliminary reports are that the police carried out an intelligence-driven operation which led to the apprehension of the Haitians. It is believed that the 4 had arrived in Jamaica sometime last week. The Haitians are suspected of having arrived in the island via illegal means. It is understood that, as mandated by protocol, the Health and Wellness Ministry and the relevant agencies of the National Security Ministry have been informed of the development.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!